Hello, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a manual journal entry in NetSuite, so let's get started. First, we will go to Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries. Now there are two key things that you can do. In the lines, you can add the necessary debit and credit line items. Second, you can like this video if you find it helpful. And make sure that your balance check here is always in balance. If the out of balance fields at the top are empty, you're okay. If there's any amount, your line items are out of balance and the journal entry cannot be saved. Please don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter in the comments for NetSuite tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.